Before, my teeth were so bad, I had to have root canals in almost all of them, and they were very brittle. And it was just an unending money pit trying to keep on top of them. So I decided to go with this procedure to fix my teeth. My smile was horrible. I found myself not smiling anymore in public. Eating became hard, cold things, hard things, couldn't bite into an apple or a corn cob. It just made it harder to eat and harder to converse with people and just be myself with my big smile that I usually have. It did prevent me from going out in public as much because I just couldn't be myself, and I always had to be careful and not smile and worry about people looking at my teeth. Unfortunately, I went to somebody who is not a board-certified prosthodontist, and I had this procedure done, and it was not done right. And after a year of suffering, I did some research and searched out for a board-certified prosthodontist, and Meng Dentistry happened to be the only one in Montana, so I came here. I would definitely research before you get this procedure done because it is definitely a specialty procedure. I finally sought out a specialist after a year of suffering. I had a horrible lisp. I still couldn't eat hard foods or corn on the cob or an apple because my teeth were not placed in the right place. Once I met Meng and he saw my issues and he reassured me that he could fix this no problem, I felt very more comfortable coming to him. He sounded like he really knew what he was doing, and he was going to do a good job. So I was very nervous coming in for the second time, knowing that I was going to have this surgery completely redone. He had to remove all of my implants and replace them in the right place and then put the teeth in. Now my teeth are beautiful. I can go everywhere. I'm totally confident. I can eat whatever I want. People compliment me on my smile all the time.